Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and mind-bending phenomena in the universe: black holes. What are they, and what happens if you fall in? Buckle up for an epic journey through space, science, and a touch of the unknown. Welcome back to Explorosphere. First, let's define a black hole. These cosmic objects form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. Imagine compressing a star that's many times the mass of our Sun into an area smaller than a city. The result? Gravity so intense that not even light can escape. This is why they're called black holes. Black holes have three main parts: the event horizon, the accretion disk, and the singularity. The event horizon is the point of no return. The accretion disk is a swirling mass of gas and debris outside the event horizon. And at the center lies the singularity, where all the black hole's mass is concentrated in an infinitely small space. Now let's imagine you're an intrepid explorer venturing too close to a black hole. What happens next depends on the size of the black hole. Let's break it down. If it's a small black hole, you'll experience a phenomenon called spaghettification. Gravity at your feet is so much stronger than at your head that you'd be stretched into a long, thin noodle of atoms. Not the most glamorous end. But if it's a supermassive black hole, like the ones found at the center of galaxies, things are a bit different. The tidal forces near the event horizon are weaker, meaning you might cross the event horizon intact. Once you're inside the event horizon, the rules of physics as we know them break down. Space and time become so warped that all paths lead to the singularity. There's no going back. But what's beyond the singularity? Could it be a portal to another universe, a new dimension? Scientists don't know. It's one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. You might wonder, why do we study black holes? They're crucial to understanding the universe. Black holes challenge our understanding of gravity, quantum mechanics, and the very fabric of reality. Plus, they're just plain fascinating. Thanks for joining us on this mind-bending journey into the heart of a black hole. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time. Comment down below what videos you would like to see next.